Hollister, California, a small agricultural community about 100 miles southeast of San Francisco, is home to Enerparc's first U.S. photovoltaic installation. Located on a 20-acre parcel at the edge of town, this former agricultural site receives ample sunshine but has been relatively unproductive for over a decade. This made it an ideal location for revitalization into a solar park.
This piece of property is an interesting case. I mean, you're seeing, with global climate change, you're seeing more and more of these ag lands losing their water rights, becoming less productive. And so this piece of land actually is set fallow for about 10 years.
There was different ideas for this property, and eventually they came up with the solar farm concept, which I thought worked perfectly for the area.
Working in partnership with highly qualified subcontractors, skilled engineers, and contractors specializing in electrical and mechanical installation, Enerparc coordinates the logistics and project management as construction gets underway. Most of the contractors and installers are hired locally, completing the work under Enerparc supervision. An array of steel beams driven deep into the ground becomes the foundation for a structure that will support the photovoltaic panels over the next 3 decades. The design of the supporting structure ensures that the panels are set at the precise angle to collect the maximum amount of sunlight. These photovoltaic modules are the workhorses that convert the sun's energy into electricity each day. Each year, this solar park will generate 3,500 megawatt-hours of CO2 neutral energy, enough to fully power several hundred homes, helping the city of Hollister to offset its carbon footprint. Here at Enerparc's Bay Area offices, the team of engineers, developers, and attorneys have spent months shaping this project from its first draft layout through securing the necessary financing and permitting, paving the way for construction to begin. With this team of specialized experts, it only takes a handful of engineers and project managers to successfully complete the design and development of a solar farm.
In our industry, it's very important to have efficiency and maximum output. And so when we looked for a workspace to headquarter our company, we went with an open environment so that we could maximize communication among the team. We have different functional areas here: legal, project management, engineering, which allows us to solve problems and to deliver maximum value.
Once construction begins, the work is relatively straightforward and can be completed in a number of weeks. This can be shortened to days, according to the requirements of the project. At peak times, hundreds of foremen and workers may be involved, creating jobs and bringing additional revenue to the local economy. With a project portfolio of more than 300 times the size of the Hollister project, Enerparc has grown to become a respected global developer. Despite its size, Enerparc remains a strong advocate of utilizing local partnerships, ensuring not only its own success, but the success and growth of the communities it serves.
We expect to work with professionals, and that's what they've shown here. They've done a great job.
We're a team of professionals who really have a keen interest in the energy industry, and specifically renewables.
Here at Enerparc, we own about 650 megawatts of operating assets, and that gives us a very good, unique insight into what we do, because ultimately what we're really concerned about is the bottom line, meaning does the system produce enough kilowatt hours to make the financials for the system work.
In a matter of months, the people of Hollister have harnessed unlimited, environmentally sound electricity with an emissions-free facility that will benefit them for the next 3 decades. This small California town has taken a big step forward in pioneering the future of energy, while sustainably serving the community.